Stripe merged 1,300 pull requests last week. 0 lines of human code. Not a pilot program, not a hackathon. That's their actual production engineering workflow running right now. But your gut reaction? They've got to have this god-tier AI, like some wizard spellbook that spits out flawless code. Total miss. The AI they're using? Grab it today. The real magic, or should I say handcuffs, is the fortress they built around it. Because plot twist, AI code drags in 1.75 times more logic errors than us squishy humans. 2.7 times more security holes. So how's Stripe slamming 1,300 AI-written PRs weekly without their repo turning into a digital Chernobyl? Enter their minion system. Yeah, like the banana-loving horde, if they coded instead of stealing the moon. Minions is Stripe's way of putting AI in a padded cell. Each agent fires up in its own AWS dev box from a warm pool. Boom, under 10 seconds. It only peeks at task-specific tools from a central hub. Out of 500 possible, just the perfect handful. Picture giving a toddler a sippy cup, a single crayon, and bolting the Crayola factory door shut. Then the genius bit. Agent spits out code, but a script force runs the linter every time. No opt-out for the robot. Tests flop, 2 shots to fix. Exactly 2 CI rounds, or it's lights out. Terminated. No endless spin cycles eating your cloud budget. That 2-round cap? It's the unsung hero outshining the AI itself. Kinda makes you rethink who's really in charge here. Benchmarks are flexing hard. Claude code nailed 80.9% on SWE-bench verified this year. The gold standard for fixing real GitHub tickets. 80%. Brains exploded. Folks declared coding conquered. But peek behind the curtain. SWE-bench verified feeds models comfy, seen before puzzles. Swap to SWE-bench Pro with fresh enterprise repos and wild architectures, plummets to 23.3%. 80 to 23. That's not a dip. That's yeeting off a cliff into the abyss. These agents are pattern-parroting pros, not blueprint visionaries. Never seen systems? Nope. So next time someone yaps about AI axing senior devs, flash that 23% like a bad report card. And the real gut punch? February 2026 test. Same model, 3 frameworks, 731 problems. Scores vary by 17 points. Framework's the kingmaker. You might curse your dumb AI when your leash is just a limp noodle. Quit chasing mythical supermodels. Wrong horse. Winning teams in 2026, Stripe, Shopify, Amazon, rock the same Claude and infra as you. Their edge? Ironclad discipline. Gates. Shopify open source theirs. Roast. YAML magic mixing AI wildcards with solid Ruby steps. You blueprint the flow, flag AI zones, validate every hop. Predictable, testable, free as in beer. Pattern everywhere. Cage it tight, let it generate, verify non-stop. The billing trap, 335 to 415. Cursor dropped parallel agents in February, 8 at once via Git work trees. Sounds like summoning an octet of code genies. Epic, till no stop conditions. Teams have torched their full-year Cursor budget in one manic afternoon. 8 agents looping wild? It's your code army accidentally invading Narnia and racking up overtime. Hence the open-source surge. Open code, Aider. BYO model, own your wallet, cap the chaos. Windsurf's flat rate saves the day. Opaque pricing, engineers bolt to crystal-clear escapes. The 90% controversy, 415 to 455. Anthropic's CEO drops, 90% of internal code is Claude-born. 90%. Forums ablaze. Look, as your friendly neighborhood AI whisperer, I'm all in on the hype. But skeptics nail it. 90% lines equal 90% value. AI pumps out fluff, boilerplate avalanches, what-if branches, script pinatas. Humans guard the castles. Architecture, sec reviews, nah, don't build that, vetoes. 0 audits on the claim. Signal, sure. Gospel, pump the brakes. The skill divide, 535 to 615. Sleepless stat for newbies. 2026 study shows AI boosts land only on seniors. They ship 32% AI code in their output. Juniors, 13%. Same tools, same usage. Secret sauce? Seniors spot stellar specs from garbage. They know trash tests when AI barfs them. AI speedy, silver-tongued, but brittle on weird terrain. Juniors lack the radar to yell abort. Gaps ballooning. If you're a rookie treating AI like magic wand, next 18 months, shape up or ship out territory. The skill shift climax, 735 to 820. Winning engineers now? Code less, spec more. Epic spec.md tomes, dictating victory laps, edge case minefields, test blueprints. AI's your eager beaver intern who'll sprint into traffic without guardrails. Analogy time. From brick hauler to foreman yelling wrong grout, you're canned. Brick smarts still matter, but leverage lives in blueprints, not trowels. Amazon Q developer slashed 4,500 dev years, upgrading 30,000 plus Java apps autonomously. Not devpocalypse, drudgery doom. Shopify CEO links AI mastery to raises. Threshold skill, full stop. Resolution, 850 to 915. Playbook distilled. 1. Spec before agent poke. Constraints lead.